Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor to HDMI certification not found, and what can you do for your Windows HDR driver as well as calibration. Fix 1. You can install the MSI monitors driver. Visit the MSI website and find your monitor's model. Download the latest monitor driver, open Device Manager, select Monitors. Right-click your monitor and select Update Driver. Install the downloaded MSI driver and restart your PC. Fix 2. Check your cable. Use a DisplayPort 1.4 or Display 2.0 or 2.1 cable. Connect the cable directly to the monitor and PC. Avoid adapters, hubs, or docking stations if possible. Fix 3. Turn on HDR in Windows. Press Windows plus I and open Settings. Go to System, select Display. Select your MSI monitor. Turn Use HDR on. If the picture looks incorrect, use the Windows HDR calibration app to improve image quality. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.